Piping connection. Now, connect the piping to the indoor and outdoor units. Align the center of the piping and sufficiently tighten the flare nut with your fingers. Use a torque wrench to further tighten the flare nut. Using spanner to tighten the flare nut is strictly prohibited. Else, over-tightened conditions might occur and lead to gas leakage. Now, connect the piping to the outdoor unit. Utilization of torque wrench is a must to tighten the flare nut until the click sound is heard. Again, using a spanner is strictly prohibited to avoid over-tightening.